I've been in the studio with Jay-Z, dog. And at first, I was never like the biggest Jay-Z fan, bro. Because I thought like the freestyle thing was a myth, but bro.
Young's in the building, you know I gotta make them wait for it. They can't just, yeah, they gotta wait. Marcy, what up? Check it out. Real respect me fake, cause want beef, cause they know that's the only way we ever gon' speak. We never gon' see eye to eye. Your type of real I don't recognize, it's all televised. Mobsters opt to not get it beef. There's no business in it, it only brings police. Wanksters want beef and they name in the street. Most time end up with a brain where they feet should go. You should know if you gon' do something and you go to radio, we all know you frontin'.